Hello everybody. I'd like to apologise for a couple of things about this video. First thing is it's a bit flickery because I forgot to turn off a side light, so it's going flicker flicker flicker, so I apologise for that. I've done what I can to try and correct it, but you know how it is. Second thing is, this is not going to be a first-hand unboxing because I foolishly didn't really know how to use the recording software, so that means that I have had to do a voiceover. So that's two stories, and I'm sure as I go along there will be other things to apologise for. This particular box is designed around International Women's Day, which was March, so not that long ago. I'm not too far behind. This is me fiddling around with the light to try and get it right, obviously, so light is going to be an issue, I feel. So this one is the little zine that comes with it, so yes, UK do. And yeah, as I say, this one's all themed around International Women's Day, and it's called the Beautifully Strong box, so that's nice. All the paper in these boxes is sustainably sourced, so that's nice also, and they plant trees for every certain number. There was a very cute little pin badge in there. I'm not entirely sure what they were getting at, but there's a lady sitting on a waffle with a daisy and a plant. Cute little reporter's notebook, which is nice. Not too much pink, which was actually really good, because you know it's so easy to go, girls are all pink and gross. Happy birthday, lady, you go girl. And some nice stickers there, little outlines, and yeah, so there's 4 sheets of stickers of 2 designs, so there's 2 sheets of each set of designs, and some colouring pencils if I remember correctly. Yep, looks like colouring pencils. Nothing to colour in, which is a bit sad. But yeah, they're quite cute. I wasn't massively unhappy with this particular set. Not my favourite set. I like things with a bit more oomph, but I do really enjoy the fact that it's actually got a theme around a specific thing. There is, I suppose, stationery sets tend to get aimed at women rather than men anyway, so you will find that things will be more sort of gendered, but then again that's assuming that male is the dominant gender, well, is the default gender, which of course it isn't. So theoretically speaking, these are just not, I don't know what's the point I'm trying to make. I think the point I'm trying to make is that it's really hard to judge these sort of things. But I mean, a set of pencils costs you a fair amount. They seem to be pretty decent pencils. I didn't actually try them out, which is really bad. But I quite like the hardback notebook. I think the badge is nice. I'm not sure why I'm gesticulating there, but I like a good gesticulate. Yeah, so I'm not entirely sure what else to say about this. Mind the gap, which of course is the pay gap, the gender pay gap, obviously. And the Fuss Society is all about equality as well, so they're fighting for gender equality, which is not to be sniffed at, because gender equality is good for men and women. It's unfortunate that so many people think that it's not, because surely a level playing field is actually pretty cool. So yeah, so I'm enjoying the cover on that one. Nice high cover there. nice quality cards, bit floral for my tastes, but then that's just me. And it's always handy to have extra cards. Cards are always useful because you never know when you're going to need a sudden gift card. Pencils here again. I don't know why I didn't try them out. Did I try them out? No, I don't think I did try them out, which is silly really. And I'm gesticulating. I wonder what I was saying here. Yeah, this would have been a much better video if I'd actually captured what I was saying rather than me having to do a voiceover, because I had no idea what I was saying then, because I was so put out by the fact that I hadn't actually remembered. Well, it wasn't that I hadn't turned the sound on, it was that I turned the sound on, but I didn't realise because the way it's set up, it turns, if you've already recorded a bit and then you record over that bit, it stops at the end of the bit, which seems really daft to me. For example, Premiere Pro, which I'm recording this in, it'll just go over where the gap is, but not Audition, which I suppose if you're doing multi-track stuff you might want to fiddle around with stuff, but yeah, it's a bit of a frustration. I'm doing more gesticulating here. Obviously there was something really important I wanted to say, but who knows what that may have been. So yeah, so that was March. As always with the Papergang boxes, there are not just the things in there, there's also the phone and computer wallpaper that you can download. So that's a nice thing. As I say, sustainably sourced paper and card. They plant trees, you know, and this may not have been the month that made me ecstatic, but there's always next month, and there's always something in here that's handy, cute, you know, there's always something for someone, even if there's not something for everyone, if that makes sense. Anyway, thank you for listening to my meandering ramble, and I shall see you in the next video. You take care. Bye.